So this code here is important, but another key element of any Go program is this package thing here, this package clause, as it's also called, at the top of the file. Because as you'll see, every Go code file needs such a package instruction inside of it. If you would remove this, you would get an error if you have the Go extension installed in VS Code. You get an error that it expected a package clause but found import, so that it found the import statement as a first statement in a file when it actually expected the package statement. So we have to bring it back. But why does this matter? What's the idea behind this package instruction here? Well, when writing Go code, you split your code across packages. You must have at least one package per application, per Go program, but you can have multiple packages. And a single package can also be split across multiple files. So here I could add another Go file, which also belongs to the main package. That's possible. You can have multiple files that make up one package, and you can have multiple packages in one Go project. And the idea behind these packages simply is to organize your code. And later in this course, you'll also see applications where we do work with multiple files for a single package and with multiple packages in a project. But we need these packages because once we work with multiple packages, we can use features from package B in package A, for example. So we can export and import features across our files so that the individual files stay rather lean. And that's what we're already doing here with this import statement, by the way. Here we're importing a package, the FMT package in this case. Now that's not a package written by us. Instead, this FMT package is part of Go's standard library. As I mentioned in the first course section, Go comes with a huge standard library of built-in packages. So packages that are installed together with Go, you could say, that are part of the Go compiler, if you want to say it like this. Packages you can use in every Go program. And attached you find a link to this standard library page, and here you find a list of all the packages that come together with Go. And on this page you can, for example, search for FMT to find this FMT package, which we're currently importing, and you can click on that package to learn about the features it exposes. Now you don't need to do that here. Instead, here we can see that this package in the end exposes such a print function, as it's called. Something we can execute to output some text on the screen. So that's a package not written by us, which we're importing, so that here we can use a feature from that package, the print feature, the print function. And that's the idea behind packages and why we also need to use packages ourselves. It simply is a requirement by Go. Your code must be organized into packages. But why did I choose main as a name here?